Hello everyone, today I'm at the Suvarnabhumi Airport, one of the busiest airports in Thailand, and like all airports in the world, this place was heavily affected during the pandemic. Today I'm going to show you around, give you a little bit of an update for this amazing Bangkok airport. The Suvarnabhumi Airport in 2019 was the 9th busiest airport in the world, with an incredible 54 million international travelers flying through this airport. But of course, those kind of statistics are irrelevant now. What's important is the statistics in 2022. How will the Thai tourism rebound from the pandemic? And from this kind of site, a lot more people, a lot more traffic in the airport. I think tourism is slowly coming back in Thailand. And before coming to Thailand, I used to work at the Hong Kong airport, so I'm used to looking at these kind of departure boards all the time, and it was horrific during COVID. You know, cancel flights all over the board. So it's good to see a departure board normal like this now, and the flights are scheduled all the way to tomorrow morning, which is really good to see. So this is the 3rd floor of the airport, which is kind of the restaurant and shopping area, and there's a Starbucks there, Subways, there's a Boots over there. Not a lot to see really, but I used to hate this floor. I used to hate eating here because usually it's my last meal before I have to pack my stuff and head back to my home country, get back to my 9-to-5 job, and I used to hate eating here. In comparison to the videos I've seen before where this floor was completely dead, I think there was like 2 restaurants open. S&P was open, I think, in the video I saw, and another restaurant down there, but right now it looks like there's about 3 to 4 restaurants open, so doing a little bit better. Obviously there's still more room for even more restaurants, but with tourism coming back, more people, more traffic in the airport, more restaurants will open. So this is the area where the fiasco happened, you know, the news about people arriving to Thailand, and this place was a mess. No one knew what was going on, and the huge congestion going on here, but a lot calmer here now. But basically this is the area after you pass the immigration, you pick up your luggage, you head to this area, find a designated hotel that will take you to a quarantine hotel, which would be irrelevant to a lot of you guys after May the 1st anyway, because you don't have to do the hotel quarantine anymore. So good to see the telecom stores open. You've got DTAG, AIS, and over here you got True. So all the 3 major telecom stores are open, which is good. So you can land, get your SIM card, and just explore after the 1st of May. If you've just arrived into Thailand and you don't want to eat at a restaurant, you want to eat proper Thai food, then visit this magic food point. It's basically a food court with about, I think, 7 to 8 different street food stores open. So if you want traditional Thai foods, then head into this food court right here. So found a little bit more of information here. This spot used to be where we get the coaches to different places in Thailand, like Hua Hin, Pattaya and Koh Chan, but it looks like none of these counters are open, which, because I'm actually planning to go to Hua Hin maybe the next month or the next couple of months, but it looks like none of these counters are open, so I'll have to look this up. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this video will give you a little bit of an update and insight on what the Suvarnabhumi Airport looks like now. But thanks for watching, see you in the next video.